Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening sound settings directly from the taskbar. This gets you into the control surface quickly. Once there, select the output device you want to configure so you're not adjusting the wrong hardware. Make sure to play a short test sound or sample file to verify audio is active. While listening, adjust the master volume and left-right balance to establish a baseline. This prevents later changes from being misleading and saves time when you move to device-specific controls. Next, dive into device properties for the output you selected so you can change behaviors at the device level. You'll disable audio enhancements if you experience distortion, because software effects often conflict with hardware. Then open additional device properties and choose the default format, sample rate and bit depth, matching your content type. For music, use 44,100 Hz, for video, use 48,000 Hz. While here, test each change by playing audio and make adjustments iteratively to avoid overshooting the ideal settings. Finish by configuring app-specific volumes in advanced sound options so each program mixes correctly. This prevents a browser or game from overpowering system alerts. Once done, verify playback across multiple apps to confirm consistency. If you encounter silence or error messages, run the built-in Troubleshoot Sound Problems tool to identify common conflicts quickly. Finally, if issues persist, update or reinstall the audio driver. This resolves most hardware recognition and stability problems and restores normal functioning in the majority of cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.